way to start the school year, Andrew, here in Savannah, Chatham County. Public school children heading back, and the weather cooler today.
Much nicer out there, although there's a little bit of rough seas and some other things sitting around there that Scott Roberts has got to talk about beyond just those beautiful back-to-school temperatures.
Yeah, looking pretty nice out there along the Cockspur Island Lighthouse, the Savannah River, but it is breezy out there. We have an overcast sky at the moment, not looking too bad, but we are tracking some heavy rain. Those clouds keeping conditions a little bit cooler compared to normal lower 80s for us right now. We have an onshore breeze at 15 miles per hour, so that's leading to some of those white caps along the Savannah River. But right now, overall across the region, because of those showers and thunderstorms, temperatures are trending well below normal, upper 70s to lower 80s for most locations, 85 degrees right now for Richmond Hill. Viper radar, there's the live scan for us. We do have some pockets of heavier rain developing from Pembroke Point southward into Wayne County, a decent cluster of storms generally lifting from the south to the north, but a lot of lightning was associated with that cell in Wayne County as it was crossing over US 25. Not so bad right now into Long County along Highway 84. Some heavier rain set in between Ludowici and Hinesville. That is moving toward Hinesville and Fort Stewart with a little bit of lightning. Same thing for Pembroke, dealing with some of that rain just on your doorstep. So definitely watch out for that. Anything that does develop today would have the potential to not only produce some lightning, but also some heavy downpours, a continuation of what we had over the weekend. We had numerous reports of flooding, street flooding across the region, and we will have more opportunities for that in the 7-day forecast. For this evening, scattered storms setting up for us on and off even as we head into the overnight hours. Temperatures will be in the 70s as we head into the overnight hours. So not too bad temperature-wise, but just we are going to be kind of stuck in a soggier pattern. Last week we were very hot and humid with temperatures running well above normal. This week is total opposite. It's going to be staying unsettled. Temperatures will be on the cooler side, but rain chances will continue. We have a frontal boundary that's basically stalled out over the southeast. That will help more moisture to lift into our region, leading to heavy rain for us at times. And also with this frontal boundary basically stalled out just off of our coast, that is something that we're going to have to watch for. Some potential very slow tropical development on the far end of this frontal boundary. We actually do have Tropical Storm Dexter that formed Sunday as a minimal tropical storm just to the north of Bermuda. Sustained winds as of 11 o'clock this morning, sustained at 45 miles per hour. This will continue to move to the northeast pretty quickly, 14 miles per hour, likely picking up speed as we head into the next 5 days. By the time we get to this weekend, it will be in the far North Atlantic, posing no risk to land at that point, and will likely weaken and transition into a post-tropical system as it moves toward northern Europe. So there's Tropical Storm Dexter. That area off of the coast with some cloudiness has a 20% chance of developing into a tropical depression or tropical storm over the next 5 to 7 days. No immediate threat to us at this time. It might just help to enhance the rain chances around the southeast, but we're watching an area of cloudiness moving off of the coast of Africa, south of the Cabo Verde Islands. This is the main development region as we head into the middle part of the tropical season, which we are going into. 50% chance of that becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm, but as it would become better organized, we would expect it to turn to the north before making its way to the Caribbean and the east coast of the U.S. For this evening, we will continue to have those showers and storms moving through the region, drying out for the first part of our Tuesday, but more storms are expected as we get to the afternoon. We will have higher rain chances for us once again. Scattered showers and storms are expected for us as we do go into our Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees. And as we go into the later part of the week, maybe getting into the lower 90s for most of us, with those rain chances remaining throughout the weekend. Perhaps next week we will settle back into a quieter pattern for us once again. That's a look at your weather forecast for now. We'll have more coming up in just a bit.
Thank you, Scott.